Good morning, sir. Good morning, madam. My name is Prabhati Madi. I am 44 years old. I am married. I have 3 children. I am Christian. I study up to high school level. I have 2 years of working experience in Bangladesh, serving a family of 6 persons. In my ex-employer house, I did all general household works and took care of 3 children, one elderly and pets. In Hong Kong Training Center, I am learning all necessary household work like washing, cleaning, ironing, marketing, Chinese cooking, car washing, using all electrical appliances, taking care of babies, children, elderly, disabled and pets. I am also learning English and Cantonese. Sing sang thai thai lete ho, o ko mengkyu probhati mardi, o kamlin se sap se soy, o son ke tok tho, o sek tak chu yo, o hui chui pe thai thai lete se, o sek tu chung gok chong, ho chi cheng yu, tong ku, cheng kai, po thong, thong mai, kei ta soy chung ho kan. Liko hai soy pui. Liko hai chapui. Liko hai bhengko. Liko hai jhang. Lipa hai to. Liche hai un. Liche hai tip. Liche khai chikan. Liche khai cha. Litoi hai phai chi. Sir, madam, I need to earn more money to support my family. Please hire me as your domestic helper. I promise I will be very hardworking, polite, honest and always follow your instruction. I hope we can meet in Hong Kong. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. See you in Hong Kong. Bye-bye.